Welcome back to another one, guys. Today we're gonna be installing my custom steering wheel on my Charger. So I have it right here in this box. I'll show you guys a sneak peek. All right, show you guys a sneak peek. All right. See, the light. All right, see, right there. See, it's all you're getting. It's all you're getting for now. All you're getting for now. Real carbon brackets. Whoa, trim. But yeah, that's all you're getting for now until it's installed. We're gonna bring this outside. I have stickers. I have the stickers around here somewhere for I don't know. I don't know where they went. I had stickers around here for the name of the company. I don't know where they went, but yeah. Parts of the car here. Hellcat injectors. Damn, the lighting sucks in my room. Hellcat injectors. About putting the RT. Some more parts there. So the car is currently in pieces right now. I'm gonna make a separate video on that. But long story short, my cam decided to be a circle and not egg shaped. So, but yeah, let's get to the videos, get to the steering wheel. Catch y'all when I'm out there. So first things first, you're gonna wanna unplug your battery and let the car sit for 30 minutes so the airbag does not punch you in the face. So after you let it sit for 30 minutes, like a capacitors drain, these right here, you pop these out on both sides, and they're gonna be 10mm bolts to unbolt the airbag. So I'm gonna get this off and I'll show you guys what to do next after you get the airbag off. Alright, so once you get the airbag out, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna unplug these two and then unplug this wire. But apparently, the car was in an accident and they had to replace the airbag because there's supposed to be a connector here, not two butt connects. So I'm gonna have to do this a little bit different. That sucks, and that bolt looks like it's already stripped. This does not look like a fun day for me, but yeah. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I got all this unplugged. So now what we're gonna do is, I got 10mm Allen, smacked it in there with a hammer so you get a good nice snug fit so we don't strip the fucking bolt. Yeah, I'm about to use my impact gun, see if we get that off. If not, I'm gonna need someone to hold the steering wheel while I break loose with a breaker bar. Let's hope it don't come to that, and that gun got enough balls to take this motherfucker off. So let's see what happens. And I am not trying to cut these. I mean, I shouldn't do it the right way with actual connections, but I'm not trying to do that. So yeah. All right, so so far so good. We got this off. Make sure you don't play with this or turn it too much, because the clock screwing is very tedious, and you do not want to break this because it's really expensive and it will give you an airbag light and you won't pass inspection or anything. So whatever you do, leave it exactly the way you took it off and don't fuck with it. Came off fairly easy. I think it's because they didn't use red Loctite like they're supposed to when you put these back on, so the wheel don't fall off on you. It's a little sketchy now, knowing the way I drive, that this could have came off at any given time. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go swap all these buttons and shit over to the new steering wheel, the airbag and everything, the wiring harness, and I'll get back to you guys when that's all done, and we'll put it on, and yeah, show you the correct way to put it on. Alright, so we got the new steering wheel now with everything swapped over, all the carbon and shit. Had to wire up my heated steering wheel. Hopefully I got it correct. I don't know. We'll see. I wired that up. Got the weight in here. Everything ready to go. So we got some blue Loctite. Put it on the bolt. I'm gonna mount this up. Don't know the exact correct torque measurements. So we're just gonna ugga-dugga that bitch on. Alright. So yeah. We'll get to it. Alright guys, so Had a little mishap here. The butt connects came off for this. I didn't want to do this, but came off, so now I have to do it. So hopefully when I start the car back up and we're done with it, the airbag doesn't blow up in my face. So let's just hope that. All right. But yeah, all right. So basically this is done. We just torqued it down with the impact gun. So with some blue Loctite. Got the right here. Routed this over here. So hopefully the airbag goes on with it. But yeah, now all we gotta do is connect the airbag to this and screw it back in, and then we're done. So then I'll do a full reveal for you guys. But yeah. All right, so everything's on, tightened up. We got the things back on. And yay. So here's the full reveal, I guess, guys. So I didn't want nothing crazy, no shift lights or anything shit like that. But yeah, now I got this with the shifter and all that, square bottom, thumb locks. But yeah, hopefully when I hook up the battery, it doesn't want to kill me. But yeah, so but I got the silver to match the silver gauges, silver stitching, match it the silver gauges and the white balls and all that. Pause. But yeah, all real carbon fiber. So I'm gonna put the link in the description where I got it from. It wasn't that bad of a price. It was like $650 for this configuration, but like fully loaded, everything, carbon shifter paddles and all that is like 800, 900 bucks. So with the shift lights and everything, so it's really not that bad, you know, compared to Vicers and all that. So but yeah.
Spinning like gaga, walking the room smell like Zaza. Why they some imposters? I get money, that's on my roster. Shmuddy like gra gra, boy you can get pop pop.